Hello, I'm a chunky potat. Welcome to Get Your Ship Together. And this looks like the best game ever since it has Fat Bird. So let's check it. Wow. Probably this one. Again? This one? Oh, it looks like a bit from Undertale. Yeah, this one. Jesus, you're making it complicated. I have mixed feelings today. Oh, okay. So it's like a psychological test. Yeah, okay, play. Dash. So seems like this game has something to do with emotions. And the cutest bird ever! Oh my god, I might die playing this game. Okay, to reach further, dash. But how to dash? Shift? Is it dash? Oh my... I did it! What? Okay, not a good thing. Oh my god! Okay, nice. Okay, got it. Jump, dash. And don't touch these things, because you may die! Just like this. Okay, no, we would have to rush. So, let's just be careful. I have... What? I have something with fat birds. I know that they're not like fat, they wouldn't be able to fly, but those round, cute birds that just... Oh my god, it's just way too good for this world. Don't hit me, okay? What? I almost did it. So... all the way from the beginning? Are you kidding me? Wow, nice. This one is easy. Oh! What? Whoa. We're doing good. Okay, so what now? Okay, this, I guess. Okay, I'm fine. Oh, is that good? I don't know if it's a good thing or not. What? I'm getting friends. Nice. Come on. What? Is that good or bad? I'm still not sure. But let's get them. What is this place? Oh. Hi? Is it good or bad? I think I'm crying. I'm crying, so maybe it's not good. Maybe I'm collecting emotions. Oh no, I need yellow ones. I need to be happy, I guess. That's what Mama said. Whoa, guys. This is such a emotional game. Oh my god, there's not a lot of yellow ones. It's not easy. Okay, been there. Okay, I see now. Dash. Nice. And now some complicated stuff. Dash. Oh my god. A lot of anger. Whoa, I'm very sad. Okay, I cannot be that sad. Let's try again. Okay, now we have another thing. Is it? Or is it the same? What? Okay, double jump. Double jump, okay. Oh, what? Not that much anger! No! Give me yellow! There's nothing but anger! Stop it! I am in fire! I don't need more anger, please. I really don't need more anger, no! No, I don't want to be sad or angry, I want to be happy! This game is way too realistic. No, stop it! I'm way too angry. Okay, happiness! A bit of happiness, no! Jesus! Oh, what are you kidding me? Nope, nope. I am just in fire because of my anger, so... Wow, that is a nice... Yeah, this anger, it's way too real. No, guys, let me go. Two more anger, guys, and I'm done. So please, let me deal with my anger issues. Thank you. Okay. So let's go. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh no, 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 no. Don't. No sadness, no anger. Are you kidding me? I was jumping over you. Oh, come on. It's not that bad. We still can do it. Maybe. Or maybe not. I am on the edge. Literally. One more small thing. You know, it's like when already angry and something very small can just like make you crazy. And that's where I am right now. So let's be extra careful with what we are doing. Do not die. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. No, no, no anger. No, 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 no. No. Shrink ability. Yeah, sounds good. How to be small. Shrink. Dash. Okay, but where is shrink? Oh, this is shrink. Okay, let's see. Shrink. That's kind of nice. Okay, what's this? Okay. Oh! What? What? Shrink, 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 shrink. Okay, I got it. Kinda. Shrink? Oh! I was small already. It's kinda hard to understand sometimes from my bigger and my small. Okay, I'm small now, so don't worry. Just hide it. Yeah, fine. Now it needs to be big to show. Oh, shrink, 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 shrink. Now be big and be small. Be small. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there's a lot of happiness. Let's grab happiness. Happiness, happiness, happiness. Is it okay to grab a lot of happiness? Is there like a limit to how happy I can be? No anger. No anger, please. What? No, 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 no anger. No anger. What? What? Jump over it. Now be small. Now jump over it. Now be small. Now jump over it. Now be small. Now jump over it. Now be small. Oh my god, we did it. Oof. Okay, we have a lot of happiness. If we get all the happiness, are we going to win? No, we can be over happy? What? No, not again. And now here. Nice. Okay. So we cannot get more happy or we're going to be bad. It's going to be bad. No. No, so many happiness. Can I get overly happy? No. Okay, I think we got everything. Like 3 abilities we have. So now we can just enjoy being a fat bird. Let's try to win. And we'll see what's going on if you win. And for that, we cannot get emotional. Oh, no, are you kidding me? No, stop it, emotions. No. What? Okay. Wow. Doesn't look nice. Okay, am I okay? Whoa. Okay, I'm safe here. What? Ah, shush. Okay, nice. Ooh, am I close? No anger. Green. What does green mean? I don't know. What? No! Oh, it's a save point. Nice. What is this? Anger? Go away. Okay. What? No! Oh, I am as calm as rock. I feel like I hear screams of agony. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just going crazy. I wonder if I can like balance everything. Not like this. Oh no! More emotions coming. It's like puberty again. What? Oh my god! What? Are you kidding me? Okay, this one is solid. Maybe next one. Oh my god! No! Okay, I'm fine. That one is safe as well. So, come on. Now I'm going to do this. Oh my god! And now, wow, that is a pretty hard thing. How can I do this? I'm really not sure about it. Okay. Poof. Oh, come on. Poof. No, just not anger, please. Anything but anger. I cannot take any more anger. Can I calm myself down somehow? I don't know what do I do to calm myself down. Probably sleeping. Can I just go to sleep? Sleep for a fat bird. Sounds like a good idea. What? No anger. No, go away. No anger. Oh my god, what is this? Please tell me something good. I am going to lose it. I am going to explode in anger. This is how this game is going to end. Definitely. No anger! No! Okay, let's try one more time to win. And this is how I feel after playing this game. Definitely. After trying so many times, this is how I feel. And this is like other emotions that I have. Like red one, you can guess. So yeah, this is my baggage that I have to carry around now. I'm not on my age yet, but pretty close. Okay, come on. You're just gonna... Oh, no more anger. No more anger, please. No more anger. No. Oh my god. Is that it? Oh my god. Okay. So at least we see what's going on up there. What is with this thing? What are those white emotions? Oh, so what now? What do you want me to do? This thing? Okay. What? No. Nope. Aha! Fuck. I'm done. Take me. So this was Get Your Ship Together, and it is extremely cute game, and I enjoy the concept. The only thing I wonder if there's like a way to avoid those emotions. Like I have tried to wait a little bit and see if they're going to go away, and not really, they're just moving, but mostly there's still a lot of them. So I'm not sure what is the better way to avoid them. But generally, it's a cute game and I really recommend it, and I hope you're gonna have fun with it. And of course, thank you for watching, take care, and see you next time.